Making 500 a day with AI sounds unreal, but in 2025 it is more possible than ever. You do not need tech skills or experience to start using these tools for real income. Like the video and subscribe now so you do not miss your chance to get ahead early. In this video, I will show you simple methods to earn with AI step by step. Let us begin and turn smart tools into daily cash. 1. Understand AI opportunities. Artificial intelligence is creating endless ways to earn without advanced technical skills. You can use AI tools to provide services, products, and solutions people are already buying. Most opportunities require creativity, consistency, and learning how to apply tools smartly. AI is not about coding, but about leveraging platforms that automate complex tasks instantly. This is why even beginners can build income streams faster than traditional online methods. In 2025, businesses and creators pay well for AI-powered services they cannot do themselves. Start by exploring tools for writing, design, video, and automation to see what fits best. The more you understand market demand, the easier it is to turn AI into daily cash flow. AI is the ultimate shortcut if you combine its power with a strong income-building mindset. 2. AI-powered content creation. Content is king, and AI makes it easy to produce high-quality articles, videos, and graphics. Tools like ChatGPT write blog scripts and captions, while Design AI creates stunning visuals. Video tools can generate faceless content for TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram automatically. Clients pay creators to deliver bulk content fast, which AI makes simple and scalable. You can sell packages like 30 social posts a month without manual effort or big teams. Repurposing one AI-generated idea into multiple formats multiplies your earning potential. Brands pay hundreds per project, meaning a few clients can hit 500 daily consistently. Mastering content prompts and style personalization helps your work stand out from others. AI turns creative work into a predictable income stream for beginners and experts alike. 3. AI automation services. Businesses love automation, but most do not know how to set it up for their operations. AI tools now handle email scheduling, lead management, and customer support automatically. You can learn to connect tools like Zapier, ChatGPT, and automation bots in a week or two. Offer to automate repetitive tasks for freelancers, coaches, and small business owners fast. Even simple workflows like auto-reply emails or chatbot setups are worth big service fees. Charge per setup or create monthly retainers for maintaining and upgrading client systems. One automation project can pay $200 to $300, so 2 clients reach your daily goal. Automation expertise grows with practice, and demand is exploding across every industry now. Smart beginners use tutorials to learn skills quickly and monetize while they keep learning. 4. Selling AI-generated products. Digital products made with AI are exploding on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, and Fiverr. You can create ebooks, planners, stock images, and video templates in hours, not weeks. AI makes it easy to produce unique designs and professional layouts without expensive tools. Bundles and themed packs sell well because people always want ready-to-use resources. Pricing digital products between $20 and $50 makes scaling to 500 a day realistic. Marketing through social media or small ad budgets increases reach and sales quickly. Once uploaded, these products earn passively while you focus on creating new collections. Research trending niches like fitness planners or AI art wallpapers to stand out fast. This model allows consistent growth while building an online store of evergreen products. 5. AI-powered freelancing. Freelancers are now using AI to deliver services faster and at higher quality than before. Writers, designers, and marketers complete tasks in hours that once took days to finish. Offer services like ad copy, video editing, or presentation design enhanced with AI tools. Clients do not care what you use as long as the results are professional and impactful. Charge competitive rates while taking on more projects thanks to AI efficiency boosters. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are full of businesses needing AI-enhanced services today. Completing 5 projects at $100 each easily hits the 500 daily target consistently. Skill comes from learning to edit and refine AI outputs to look polished and unique. This approach builds both fast cash flow and a strong portfolio for long-term success. 6. Chatbot creation. Businesses are using chatbots to handle sales and customer support around the clock daily. Makes it simple to build chatbots without coding using platforms like ManyChat or BotPress. You can create bots for websites, social media, or messaging apps to engage customers instantly. These bots answer questions, capture leads, and even process sales automatically for clients. Small businesses pay hundreds for setup and more for maintenance of these smart systems. Completing just 2 chatbot projects can easily bring in 500 in a single workday fast. As you refine your skills, you can offer advanced features like voice or multilingual bots. This is a growing niche as companies seek affordable automation to scale without hiring. Starting is easy with free tutorials and AI tools that guide you through the entire build. 7. Faceless YouTube automation. YouTube automation combines AI video creation, editing, and voiceovers for passive income. tools turn scripts into engaging videos without needing cameras or expensive equipment. Niches like finance, health, travel, and tech tutorials earn high ad revenue when consistent. With good research and daily uploads, channels can scale to thousands of views quickly. Monetization comes from ads, brand sponsorships, and affiliate products promoted in videos. voice tools make narration natural, and editing software handles visual storytelling fast. Once your videos rank, they keep earning passively long after they are published online. Reaching 500 a day may take months, but once built, it becomes nearly hands-free cash flow. Many creators run multiple channels to diversify and grow their automated income streams. 8. AI-powered design services. AI has revolutionized graphic design, making logos, social posts, and ads easy to create. Clients want unique visuals for branding, but cannot afford expensive design agencies. tools like Midjourney and Canva Pro produce stunning results with minimal learning curve. You can sell logo packs, ad creatives, or full brand kits for hundreds per project globally. Offering fast delivery and revisions gives you an edge over traditional freelance designers. 9. AI consulting for beginners. Even small businesses want to use AI, but do not know where to start or what tools to pick. You can offer consulting services, teaching them how to integrate AI into their workflows. Start by learning free AI tools and packaging your knowledge into easy step-by-step plans. Charge for consultations, audits, and training sessions tailored to each client's needs. Clients pay extra for hands-on help setting up systems for marketing or task automation. This niche grows daily as AI awareness increases, but expertise is still rare among owners. 10. Building and selling AI tools. Many beginners are turning AI ideas into simple tools or templates and selling them online. You do not need to code. No-code platforms let you build apps and AI integrations easily. Examples include resume builders, copywriting tools, and automated social media planners. Once built, these tools can be licensed, sold as subscriptions, or offered as lifetime deals. Selling 50 subscriptions at $10 daily gets you to 500 with recurring revenue. Creators who launch useful AI tools often partner with influencers for fast distribution. Now you know exactly how people are making 500 a day with AI, even with zero experience. If this gave you ideas, hit like and subscribe for more powerful ways to earn online. Drop a comment and share which AI method you want to try first, or ask anything you want to learn. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more strategies to help you use technology to build real income fast.